Peace, family. This is Chocolate Amaran. I said, this is the morning message. I know I normally don't do it like this, but I have to do it like this because of the situation. I had to get up early in the morning, and as you can see, if you can see it, it's snowing outside. I don't know if you can see it. You can see it on my coat. I know that shit. You can see it. Okay, so the morning message today is this here. It's simple. We here in New York City, we getting a little snowstorm like that. I hope we don't get that much of snow, but you know how we do. We got out here and we got to put in this work. Okay, so you have to get up at 3 o'clock in the morning. But that's my normal though. I always get up at 3 o'clock in the morning. If y'all want to know the truth, I always get up at 3 o'clock in the morning. So it's my norm. And get out here and put in this work. Okay? So if you gotta go out there and get some food in the house, you put some food in the house. Okay? Well, make sure, and I will tell you this, get water. Water is very important because you get dehydrated quick. So I already dropped off my missus Nubian Cream. I dropped her off work first, and then I go park the car in the parking lot. Because I'm not trying to dig myself out of no snow. No. Sometimes what's easy becomes more difficult. And what seems to be difficult is easy. Remember that. Okay? Just remember that. Everything seems to be easy. In the end, it's difficult. But when you got to deal with the difficulties, then it's easy. Right? See that snow? I want y'all to see it. How it bounces off. So, you know how it is. Gotta deal with it. And this is the early stages. Four o'clock in the morning. It's the early stages, brothers and sisters, kings and queens, gods and goddesses. I want y'all to get a little view of that. So I'm already out here. Make no mistake. Now the reason why I said makes it easy, because I could have parked my car a lot closer. Because most likely, it's gonna be like no school, right? You got no school and stuff like that. And most likely, traffic is gonna be suspended. Well, parking is gonna be suspended. Now here's the catch. You gotta be careful with that bullshit, because if you park your car in a parking lot that's illegal, what they can do is still give you a ticket. They don't care. Remember, y'all, I don't know if I told y'all in any one of my videos in the morning message that, I had to go to court 3 times, less than 3 weeks. I'm busy fighting motherfucking tickets they gave me. You know what I'm saying? I should have got them. But you know how that go. I had 2 cars out here, y'all. So one my daughter was driving, and make a long story short, that didn't work out, so I had to do what I had to do. But then she forgot to take the registration off the car, probably by accident, most likely. And it happens. And sometimes we don't like things, but like I said, can't worry about the small things, because the small things is the ones that get your mind all corrupted with a bunch of bullcrap. See, we all make mistakes. And I don't get mad because my daughter did that. Nah, for what? She gotta learn. We all gotta learn. Shit. I made plenty of mistakes when I was her age. I mean, I had my car at an early age as well. So these things happen. No big deal. You know? So, you see the weather. That's what I want you to see. I want y'all to see these things. So I want y'all to see it. You know what I'm saying? So, at the end of the day, the moral of this message is I want y'all to be safe. Okay? That's the message about. Be safe. Make sure you get the water, things like that. That's how I'm looking at it, y'all. So I'm sounding off. This is Chocolate Island Ron. But before we do that, we must pay all due respects to the Creator. The sun rises. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. I'm on. Do your thing and enjoy life. That's what it's all about. Peace.